You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the official currency of Poland. How do you say it? Polish? Indeed, that you knew. In all fairness, the currency name in English is generally referred to as Zloty. Zloty, but you see it's not exactly an L there. It's a Polish character, and in Poland it is said as złote, złote. So I guess that's how it should be referred to, really, złote, because it's not hard, is it? Złote, Polish złote. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.